Happy to see you guys again here on Monday. One Hot Bite, Melissa. And today is actually something really cool. We're gonna make a asparagus pea salad with a warm tarragon vinaigrette. There's bacon in this again. You guys know me and I love my bacon and it's in here. So we're gonna put this together. This is a great spring or summer salad. Lots of fresh veggies, super duper green, very green, nutrient rich salad. You can serve it warm, you can serve it cool. Of course, the warm vinaigrette over the top, you can add that on right before you're gonna serve it. So anyhow, let's get this going really quick. As you can see behind me, I already have our water boiling for our veggies. There is gonna be sugar snap peas, asparagus, and fresh peas in this. So those are our main veggies. And we're gonna get some bacon going too, because we're gonna use the bacon grease as part of our dressing. Also, let's not forget, go ahead and hit subscribe down below and give me some likes. We have awesome recipes and meals and techniques and instruction and very neat stuff coming to you, sweet stuff, savory stuff, twice a week actually, twice a week. So anyhow, let's get it going. Okay, I have our bacon going over here. It's just getting started. I like to cut my slices in half just so they're a little bit more manageable. So we're gonna get these crisping up. And then over here, we're getting our water boiling for our veggies. So let's quickly get those ready. Okay, so we're gonna take our sugar snap peas and they're just regular size. We're just gonna kind of cut them in half so they're a more manageable bite. So let's quickly get those cut. Okay, we have about 3/4 of a pound of asparagus. Beautiful fresh asparagus. And we're just gonna cut them in half. Okay, so we have 1 cup. I did fresh peas. You can do frozen peas as well. I love the fresh ones because they're so good. So 1 cup of those. We have our 3/4 of a pound of asparagus that we've cut in half, and our sugar snap peas, we have almost a pound of those, about 8 ounces of those in here cut in half. We're gonna go ahead and plunge them in the boiling water. We are going to blanch them. Blanching means we're going to boil them for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna plunge them in ice really super quick. So we don't lose the nutrients, but we're not eating them raw, but they're still crunchy and delicious. So let's go ahead and blanch these really quick. So the reason for blanching is once we dump it in the cold water, it stops the cooking process right there and kind of freezes them into the state that they are. We're gonna go ahead and drain the water off of this really quick and we're gonna set them aside. Okay, One Hot Biters, it looks like we did it again. 136 calories, fresh veggies, so many nutrients. You can't go wrong with this. Let's give it a snack. We have bacon and all of our crunchy veggies. Okay, small bite. Oh boy, that's really good. That is really, really good. You take this salad to the next barbecue, family get together, fancy dinner, fancy brunch, anything. I will see you Thursday. I love you guys. Have a wonderful week. And we're gonna barbecue up some ribs. Woo, woo. So I'll see you Thursday. You're not gonna wanna miss that.